Hi guys, I just show you some work. Look, this is form and this is basement. Look, this is insulation. This is very big. It's like very big. And this is because the basement. This is why he putting this thing. So keep warm. And this is all five here. Uh, Here's making big plant. And this is an insulation. Look, it's looking very nice. Maybe warm. Go to another side. This big hotel. This big hotel, like too much money spending here. Wow, like this one. Look, this thing. This is all wall. Look, this wall. It's 1, 2. It's making very strong because they're keeping warm. It's making room here as well. Look, it's making nice. Look at this thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's very strong, keeping warm. Look, this is room. First is wall making, and after putting this thing. This I think is cold. This basement, this why maybe keeping warm. Is making room here. It's a hotel room. It's putting is plastic something, and after putting this thing, this maybe dumps snow coming. It's plastic. It's making is nice. It's beautiful. Look, this is the installation. It's good installation. Putting the wall is very good. Good work. Look, it's very nice work. It's beautiful. This is the some plant. It's there as well. It's night time. Sorry, because the daytime is very too many people working here. Night is quiet. This is a different color. One this one this one this one. Different color. I don't know. Maybe some protect the fire. There's another one. Is different one. Look, this one. This is, I think, the bathroom. Making nice. It's beautiful. This is a room. New windows. This one protect the flooring. There's no making dirty. Look at this. This is a bathroom as well. This connection. Nice, beautiful. Tile is beautiful. It's nice.